My name is Xikuakame. I'm 18 and I'm from Covina, California. I have my Canon camera. I brought it today to do media coverage for Handy Foundation's event. The Handy Foundation did a really good job with their apprenticeship programs because they provide a lot of hands-on experience. I was able to take trainings as a story producer and a DIT, pre-apprenticeship. So I was able to get hands-on learning with Avid Media Composer, which is a film industry standard editing software. Learned how to compose media and organize it using time codes. And that's all thanks to the Handy Foundation. They provide the equipment, they provide the time. They're very helpful, especially with someone like me who's very interested and committed to getting into the film industry and making connections. The Handy Foundation does a very good job of expanding not just like my knowledge, but also my connections. To the state of California, thank you for funding all the underrepresented communities, especially the youth, because I know that Handy Foundation is starting to expand their services onto youth, and it's all because of grants like this. They're able to do that. And to the Handy Foundation, thank you so much for all the opportunities and commitment to improving skills for not just me, but a lot of my classmates as well, and age groups from like 18 to 24 and so on. So it's just amazing because they're not like specific on one type of person. They're open to everybody. They want everybody to succeed.